Hello, YouTube friends and family. Hello, I found my 2 wish list items. Yes. This is a Dollar Tree haul from last night. So this will probably go up later this week. But I did do a short and tell you that I finally found these. They had just stocked the shelf. And I got 8 of them. I left 4 behind. I got 8 of them. They do expire April 17th, 2026. But these will be gone. Because one box will be a part of the giveaway. Oh, goodness. Wait a minute. Hold up. I'm looking actually dry. I'm in my pajamas. So we're going to keep it at the neck. Because, then you don't want to see all this. And it's late. It's 12:30. I got to get going, but it's my day off. I'm relaxing a little bit in the house. Yes, I'm relaxing. But last night I went, did my walkthrough, did my filming, and then I found this. I went and grabbed a buggy so fast. These are delicious. They are so good. Not only will cameraman be eating them, I will be eating them. And then again, one for the giveaway. So it'll be a mixed mystery box giveaway with some of the, the viral stuff over the past year. Okay? But that's one of those is for that giveaway winner. But I also found this. I only found one. Should have asked if they were somewhere and went looking a little bit deeper. But it was like somebody left this one at the register. I just wanted to taste it. I didn't need a whole heap of them. And they are Best Buy 11/27/26. But I hadn't found not a one of these. And I finally found one. So I'm going to try that. And I spent $36. That's been tending to be my average after my bingo loss, which would have, covered this whole haul, but I still played bingo for free. So I'm going to quit whining about it, but my feelings is so hurt that I lost that $100. Playing too many papers, focusing on the wrong thing. It was just too much. But I've been enjoying this with a little adult beverage still. It's still cold here to me. So, yeah, I add eggnog and make it fancy and pretty. And it's delicious. Okay? Then I found this yellow rice. So I said I'll give it a try. Even though everybody here is not a fan of the yellow rice. As you know, I have an eBay store, so I can always use some packing tape since this was a good little bit for $1.25 or $1.50. It's 55 yards of packing tape. So I use a good little bit of packing tape, and it seems like my store is picking up. So if you're ordering, gosh, I forgot about that. A call came up. If you're ordering, thank you so much. I appreciate it. And these are the Root Smarts. I only bought one bag to try because I'm a little scared of these, but I did like these sweet potato chips in this brand. So, yeah, I did go ahead and purchase that. Then they are raving about this in the group. So I bought one of these. I think $1.25 is a little bit much for one bowl of pho. Chicken flavored noodle soup. This is just basic noodles, but I'll probably zhuzh it up and then give it a try. And I also found the beef tallow. So we got the beef tallow. I just bought 2. I'm going to try to fry French fries with them and see if they taste any better. If they give a flavor, because they say that McDonald's back in the day when I was coming up in the 80s, when it was still safe to eat McDonald's, that they used to fry the French fries in beef tallow. Okay? So when I buy some potatoes, I might try that. And then I bought some more black castor oil for the hair. And some rosemary mint premium hair oil. Rosemary and mint with biotin. Improves dry, damaged hair, promotes hair growth. So they've been coming out with a lot of these. This is an oldie, but these are new. This brand is new, and they've been clearing the shelves. So somebody must be using them to make their own like hair treatments that they're selling themselves or something like that. But yeah, so I'm gonna start kind of utilizing this kind of stuff on my hair because of these edges. Let's see how that helps. Okay, it's so much going on over here. Because I filmed the other two hauls yesterday and left. Okay, so I did buy another ketchup because this is catching on Fetch with some extra points if you spend $6 on it. But I didn't spend $6, but it does, you know, accumulate over time. And then I found some more viral items that make, well, now that I'm smelling them, I'll figure out a way to put it all in the box for the giveaway. I don't want to put food with smell good, but I'll figure it out. I did get Brazilian Soul. I found these, and I got one for you, one for me for the giveaway. So I did find the dryer sheets. And then I finally found the cooktop cleaner. So I did grab two of these. May or may not end up in the giveaway. I don't know because I'm kind of scared to put a lot of liquids in there to mess up the package. So I did grab two of those. And then I did grab another one of these because they smelled so good. The laundry odor remover. And I did find two of these. So, well, one of them fell on the floor. Two of these. So I'll probably try to work one of those into the giveaway. And this, I do like this. I really do. I just finished a can. So if I finish the can, it says a lot. It says I like it. I love the smell of it. It works pretty much. And it helps prevent live scale and soap scum. So you got to get rid of it first and then use this to keep it going. But I did rebuy this. So, and I really do believe that it is kind of natural. But I think that's it. That with 8 boxes. Because you got to realize these were $1.50. That along with 8 boxes. Seems like I bought something else. Make sure I didn't. Make sure nothing slipped in it. Nope, that's it. About 8 boxes of the popcorn. Okay, so that was pretty much 15 of it. And then those other little items. So, as always, I'm glad you watched this video. Don't forget to comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. I'm doing a giveaway. It's a random picking, but it will be based on comments, how much you comment to my channel, all of that good stuff. So go back and watch some old videos. Leave some more comments. Do it all if you're new to the channel because it might matter. It might make you a winner. And thank you so much for watching. As always, prep and pray. Have you found any of these items or have you been on the lookout for any of these items? Let me know in the comments below. And get those seeds ready for gardening season. And check me out on JC in the Garden. I'm going to start posting over there again because it's garden season to see if I can get that channel going. Because I'm still not monetized. So if you want to go back and binge watch some of me, go back and binge watch. And as always, prep and pray. Plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. I love you to life. Bye-bye.